Tired of losing your physical albums but still want to support your favorite artists? Weverse Albums is your answer. This guide will show you how to unlock a world of digital music and exclusive content. First, find the Weverse Albums card that came with your physical album. It looks like a photo card and has a QR code or a serial number printed on it. Open the Weverse Albums app on your phone. If you don't have it already, download it from your app store, then tap the plus button to add your album. Now, you can either scan the QR code using the app's built-in scanner or manually enter the digital code printed on the card. Once redeemed, your album will appear in your Weverse Albums library. Tap on the album cover to open it up. Here you can access the track list, listen to the music and browse the digital photobook. Explore any other interactive features the album might offer, like quizzes or special messages from the artist. Enjoy your digital album, support your favorite artists, and keep your collection safe and sound, all in one place. Now you're all set to dive into the world of Weverse Albums. Happy listening.